Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for all things tech and innovation. Whether you're a tech aficionado or a newcomer to the digital landscape, you've just stepped into a world of endless possibilities. In our quest to unravel the mysteries of technology, we'll dive into the latest trends, explore intriguing tech topics, and provide you with the insights you need to fuel your tech passions. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this exhilarating journey. Why this is your next best move. In this digital age, coding holds the key to a thriving future. Supercharge your job security, elevate your chances of advancement, and pave your way into thrilling new career horizons. No prior degree needed. Many of today's coding champions began just like you. Join our community of achievers, immerse yourself in top-tier, project-based learning custom crafted for real-world triumph. Even if you're a beginner, you're more than welcome to dive in. Start your journey from any computer, all backed by our satisfaction guarantee. Rapid learning, rapid earning, 7 power streams, master the art of web development. Python, app development, machine learning, blockchain, game development, and interview prep. Dynamic lessons, no time wasted. Construct real projects and amplify your portfolio, leaving theory in the dust. Skill, not fluff. We're all about hands-on experience, sidelining the unnecessary theory. Dive right into the practical skills that matter. Unlock multiple earning avenues, web dev, design, build, and monetize websites, and uncover the secrets of affiliate marketing. Python, step into high-paying roles such as data scientist or machine learning engineer. App dev, create innovative apps and harness revenue streams like ads or in-app purchases. Recession-proof your career. Web and app development stands strong even in economic downturns. With mobile usage continuously on the rise, the demand for your skills won't fade away. Certify your mastery, whether conquering front-end and back-end in web development or excelling in Python and machine learning. Every course you complete elevates your credentials and job readiness. WISE, peak training excellence, proven and fine-tuned for your success. Transparent tutorials, we get straight to the point, ensuring you learn effectively. All resources included, every tool, every file, is yours forever. We've got you covered. Don't wait. Your tech ascendancy starts now. To find out more details about this product, the link will be in the description box below.